Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to make YouTube videos. Making a YouTube video can sometimes be a time-consuming and tedious task, either coming up with the video idea or coming up with a script. Well, with Chatgpt AI, you'll be able to do that in a quicker time. The first thing I want you to pay attention to, I'm currently on Chatgpt and you can see that my dashboard looks a lot different compared to the regular dashboard. And that is because I've added an extension. And I want you to add this extension also. So what I will need you to do is open your browser and I want you to type in Chatgpt for search engines. After you have done that, you're going to select the first option at the top right here. After selecting the first option, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store or whichever device you are using Web Store. Then I want you to add the extension. And you can see that this extension is being used by over 200,000 persons, as you can see right here. Once you have added the extension and you go back to Chatgpt, your dashboard will look just like mine. And the next thing I want you to do is tap right where you see video. After you have tapped on video, you can see that there are numerous prompt templates that you can use. So let's say, for example, you would like to find out how to create an intro to a video script. All you would have to do is tap on that. Then from here you will see the template that all you'll need to do now is simply fill out the section that is highlighted right here. So you would fill out the topic, objective, key takeaways, preview, hook, and the length limit. And you can also add in the target audience. And then you will select the style and tone that you would like the video script to be in. Now, if you would like help in creating your YouTube video description, you will simply tap on that. Then you will add the video title, key points, explain my video, and you're going to give a brief video brief right here. Then you'll add your call to action, and you can also add additional resources or a length limit right here. So with this plugin, you'll be able to edit or use Chatgpt for any section of your YouTube video. But now let's use it to come up with video ideas. So let's tap on YouTube video ideas. So what is the niche you're in? So let's say, for example, I'm in the car niche. So I'll simply type in car. Who is the target audience for your video? And I'm going to say persons that own BMWs. So I'm going to say persons that own BMWs. And content, what is the content of the video? And I'm going to say it's about cars. So I'll simply type in cars. And then you will length limit, enter the desired length of the video in minutes or seconds. So let's say I want the video to be 8 minutes long. So I'm going to type in 8 minutes right here. So let me do that real quick. Then after that, you'll select your style and tone. So let's say I would like it to be luxury. So I'm going to type in luxury and see how that looks. Then I'm going to tap right where you see output language. And my output language will be English. Then I'm going to tap on send message. After you have tapped on send message, you are going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI comes up with a video script. So you can see the intro right here. Then you'll see host. And you'll see welcome esteemed BMW owners and fellow luxury car enthusiasts to our channel. Today we embark on an unforgettable journey into the realm of opulence and automotive excellence. You can see that it continues right there with the video script, and you can see segment 1, segment 2, and you can see that it breaks it down in the estimated time. So segment 2 would be between 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 4 minutes and 30 seconds right there. Then segment 3 would be between 4 minutes and 30 seconds and 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And you can see it goes straight down to 8 minutes and 10 seconds. and it even shows upbeat music fades out. So it shows that it would recommend that you add background music, and you can also see in the blank right here where you would add your name, and it also shows the tone that you would use right here. And by the way, if you would like to use another AI platform to create your YouTube video, there are numerous AI platforms that you can use to create text-to-speech videos or convert your text into a video. For example, you could go onto Pictory, and all you'll need to do is paste in the script. After you have pasted in the script, it will automatically source copyright-free photos that you could use in your video, and you'll be able to create a stunning YouTube video using that. So that is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And again, this plugin is very helpful. So you can see again that there are numerous prompt templates that you can use right here. I cannot emphasize honestly, this is one of the best plugins around right now for ChatGPT. So I definitely recommend that you not only use it for YouTube videos, but any other feature that you have in mind. For example, if you would like to grow your social media, you can tap on social media content right there. You can also use it for email marketing or so on, as you can see right here. So thank you again for watching this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, be sure to leave a like.